Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Calm and engaging tone. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of birds, the crisp mountain air filling your lungs, and the warmth of the sun peeking over the horizon. But instead of stepping out of a cramped tent or a modest camper, you emerge into a space that rivals the comfort of a high-end penthouse suite. This is not just any RV, this is the 2025 RV Camper, a revolutionary blend of innovation, design, and uncompromising luxury, redefining what it means to travel the open road. Narrator, step inside, and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail. The interior feels less like a vehicle and more like a designer apartment on wheels. Plush seating, rich wood finishes, and ambient lighting create an inviting atmosphere. Every corner has been carefully crafted to provide a seamless fusion of elegance and functionality. Narrator, the seating area features top-grain leather recliners with built-in massage and heating functions, perfect for unwinding after a long day of exploring. A 65-inch ultra-high-definition smart TV is mounted on a retractable panel, paired with a surround sound system that immerses you in your favorite movies, music, or games. Narrator, the kitchen is nothing short of a chef's dream. Equipped with high-end appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, and a full-size refrigerator with a wine cooler, it offers everything needed to prepare gourmet meals on the go. The countertops are crafted from imported quartz, and the backsplash is adorned with hand-laid tiles, elevating the kitchen's aesthetic. Narrator, adjacent to the kitchen is a stylish dining nook with panoramic windows. Imagine enjoying your breakfast while overlooking a serene lake or dining under the stars with the warmth of the built-in fireplace gently crackling beside you. Narrator, when it's time to rest, the master suite is your private retreat. A king-size memory foam bed with luxury linens promises the perfect night's sleep. Custom-built wardrobes offer ample storage, while smart ambient lighting creates a soothing environment. And for those chilly evenings, underfloor heating ensures you stay warm and comfortable. Narrator, the bathroom rivals those found in five-star hotels. Featuring a spacious walk-in rain shower, dual vanities with backlit mirrors, and heated towel racks, it transforms your daily routine into a spa-like experience. Every fixture is crafted from premium materials, emphasizing both durability and elegance. Narrator, technology seamlessly integrates into every aspect of the 2025 RV Camper. A central control system allows you to manage lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with a simple voice command or through a smartphone app. The RV is also equipped with solar panels and a robust battery system, ensuring sustainable power even off the grid. Narrator, the exterior is equally impressive. Aerodynamic contours not only enhance the RV's aesthetic appeal but also improve fuel efficiency. The automatic awning extends at the touch of a button, creating a shaded outdoor lounge area complete with LED lighting and a built-in sound system. Narrator, for those who love outdoor cooking, an exterior kitchen comes fully equipped with a grill, sink, and mini fridge. There's even an outdoor entertainment center featuring a weatherproof TV and speakers, perfect for hosting tailgates or enjoying movie nights under the stars. Narrator, storage is abundant, with intelligently designed compartments that accommodate everything from outdoor gear to personal belongings. Every inch of the RV has been optimized to maximize space without compromising on style. Narrator, driving the 2025 RV Camper is a pleasure in itself. The cockpit is fitted with a state-of-the-art digital dashboard, featuring real-time navigation, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless maneuvering. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed with lumbar support and cooling technology, ensuring comfort during long journeys. Narrator, whether navigating winding mountain roads or cruising along coastal highways, the RV's advanced suspension system delivers a smooth, stable ride. All-wheel drive and terrain adaptability systems empower you to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations with confidence. Narrator, sustainability is at the core of the 2025 RV Camper. High-efficiency solar panels reduce reliance on traditional fuel sources, while water recycling technology minimizes waste. The RV's insulation and energy-efficient appliances contribute to reduced power consumption, aligning comfort with environmental responsibility. Narrator, this RV is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's designed for families seeking unforgettable adventures, couples embracing retirement on the road, and digital nomads blending work with exploration. It's a mobile sanctuary that adapts to your needs while offering the freedom to explore the world on your terms. Narrator, for those balancing work and travel, the RV includes a dedicated workstation with high-speed satellite internet. Video calls, streaming, or online work sessions can be conducted seamlessly from even the most remote locations. Narrator, but beyond its luxurious features, the true magic lies in the moments it creates, the laughter shared around a campfire, the sunrise hikes, the spontaneous road trips, and the memories forged with loved ones. Narrator, when the day winds down, and you gaze up at the stars through the R skylight, you realize this isn't just a way to travel, it's a way to live. It's freedom without sacrifice, comfort without limits, and luxury without boundaries. Narrator, the 2025 RV camper represents a new era of travel. It redefines what's possible, proving that you can experience the beauty of the world without ever leaving the comfort of home. It's not just a vehicle, it's your key to unlocking a life of adventure, connection, and unparalleled luxury.